Hey friends, let me show you how I made these beautiful poinsettias. Aren't they gorgeous? They are so pretty, and we're going to use them on a project. So let me show you how I made them, and then later on tonight I'll be live to use them on a project. What do you think? Aren't they pretty? I used 2 of our cutouts. These fit this transfer perfectly, and I used red and yellow. Now you can use either shade of red or any shade of yellow, or just do them all red, or whatever you want to do. So I used cherry and bumblebee for the center, and I did both of them exactly the same way. Now you could stop right here because this is gorgeous, perfect, and ready for any project. But I thought I'd take it a step further and use our UV resin and some crushed glass on these. Y'all, the UV resin is awesome. Now you do have to hold the flashlight on there until all the resin's dry. That might take a minute. Or you can put these outside in the bright sun and the resin will dry. I just want to mention that before we start. Now I, chalked them and they're pretty. Use them just like this. Or let's add a little sparkle with this crushed glass. And if you want the supplies for what I'm doing today, just comment the word resin. And here I am putting resin all over. Now, I didn't flood it and put it all over because I knew that these pieces of glass would stick and, overlap in the center and, that kind of thing. So, and I did use a pair of tweezers to pick them up and put it where I wanted. So now I'm going to just go ahead and dry this one. Now, I did hold the light on longer than I'm showing here. I just wanted to, let you know how to do it. So I'm putting the clear glass in the center, and here I am adding resin to the larger one. Y'all, these poinsettias are beautiful. They're so pretty. And poinsettias come in several different colors. I just happened to have the red glass and thought I'd use it. I just put it in the lid and kind of sprinkled it around, used my tweezers. And I do, stand it up and kind of shake off any extra every now and then just to get the little pieces off. So I just go around the whole flower just like this, adding a little resin, adding some glass. And I'm picking up the pace here because you get the idea, right? It's super easy. Now I am wearing gloves, and be careful because the glass is sharp. And now this, once again, I held the light on there longer than I'm showing, but I just want you to have the idea and not, watch paint dry when I was drying the resin. So then once that was dry, because you want to use thin layers with this UV resin, I put another layer on because I want it to be a little more shiny, and I wanted to add a couple more pieces of glass where I might have missed them. And then I took a paintbrush and kind of brushed it around, to get the glass pieces shiny, 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 because I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to look so good. And y'all, if you want to, you could punch a hole in it and make ornaments out of these. I'm going to put them on a board later on. But comment resin if you want the supply list. And remember, hold your flashlight on there until it's dry. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.